Okay, so this is me trying to install R and RStudio on my machine. Let's see how it goes. So the little problem is if I try to make a video and it is a mess, I can't really re-record it because then by then I'll already have RStudio on my machine. So I'm sorry if this is not perfect. I'm going to try to download RStudio and put it on my computer. Alright, let's see. I definitely want one of the free ones. Open source license, they're the same. I guess I just want desktop. Don't think I need a RStudio server. Installers for supported platforms. I guess I'm on Windows. So I'm going to try this. And then you might have to watch it download. Sorry about that. Oh, it's pretty fast. So one fail mechanism is you can have RStudio installed and no R. And I hope that doesn't happen, but that happened to someone I know. So after we get RStudio installed, we're going to have to dig a little deeper and make sure we get things actually working. Alright, so hopefully this will be self-explanatory. But if not, I should have this page on the ready. Well, this is where we were. And Shiny, I'm excited about Shiny, kind of. It's kind of cool. I took a 1-hour session on Shiny at a seminar recently, so I might have some time to tell you a little bit about that. I guess my computer is yelling at me. Oh, there we go. Hopefully this won't take too long. Again, it's a video, so regardless of how long it takes me to succeed, you can fast forward to the part that is interesting to you. On this particular machine, I cannot pause the video, but you can jump ahead. There's birds outside, that's nice. We have birds that like to hang out in the eaves of our house, just around our gutters. I think they put the nest just under the gutter, not in the gutter. That'd kind of be stupid to put it in the gutter. Okay, finish. Now what? What just happened? That's Webinaria. Okay, well, does RStudio exist? Let's find out. I don't really understand what's going on here. I already did this, but maybe this will help me understand what just happened. It's just going to go through it again. So this should not be necessary. I'm just hoping that I can get some kind of error message. And this is really sad because I want it to work. But now that I've started reinstalling it, I can't really stop. It should be faster, but I don't know that it is. This happens to me a lot. Does this happen to you? When you're trying to install something, you reinstall it seconds after you just installed it, just to see what little error message you missed the last time. Because honestly, when something extracts and installs, you should be able to figure out what happens. You shouldn't have to keep running the same executable. So this is a really non-optimal. Okay, it has been installed on your computer. Well, if it's installed on my computer, how come I can't find it? There it is. Now it's showing up. Maybe it was there all along. Okay, this requires an existing installation of R. Okay, I guess I'll use 64-bit. Is there already 64-bit here? It does not appear to be installed. Please install R before using RStudio. You can download R from the official R project website. Would you like to go there now? Yes. This looks like an endless loop. This is not useful. R project website. Okay. R project website, download R. Actually, this is the link I wanted. Okay, download for Windows. So the website should recognize whether you want a Windows or Mac and offer you the most relevant version of the website. So I'm going to try this. Okay, yet another executable. And it's downloading, so I got to watch this status bar. I'm really afraid to close down this window because if I do, I might have to reinstall. I guess I wouldn't have to. I'm just afraid. At this point, installations are so touchy. I'm just nervous that if I close down any window, I'm going to have to reinstall something to get the window back. I think installations are tricky because you only have to do them once and then you completely forget what you did. So it's hard to help somebody else with it because you tried 15 things and the last thing was what worked and you don't remember what it was. This is kind of annoying. But anyway, let's see what happens. All right. English sounds good to me. Okay. This looks, I don't think I need the 32-bit files. I doubt that. I may as well have a desktop icon. I'll deal with that later. Honestly, I probably want an RStudio desktop icon, not an RStudio icon, but whatever. We'll see. We'll deal with all that later. Okay. Now, I should be able to say okay over here. Going back to RStudio, and it kind of looks right. Can I add two things? Hello? Hello, computer. Okay, that's reassuring. So I'm going to close this up. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to lock this. That's what I really like. I like keeping the clutter down. I don't really need this here, but let me see where it goes. Okay, well, there's another GUI. I like RStudio a little better. So, but it's nice to know I have that. I'm going to get rid of that link for now, and just knowing that I have another option if I don't like RStudio. I'm just moving the shortcut, not R, to the recycle bin. I'm going to get rid of these now, and I think I'm good to go. I think now when I want RStudio, I just go like that, and it should pop open for me. Okay, so hopefully my suffering has been useful for you. It wasn't that bad. As installations go, it was rather painless. We just had to mess around a bit. Okay, so hopefully that helps you.